Corona, I hope you're happy now. I see you killing everyone at your pleasure. Corona, I hope you're happy now. I see you changing your color and you're everywhere now. But why Corona? Africa not your enemies. If you miss your direction, tell us we can show you. And I see you in London, completing your mission, shaking all the doctors there, and still you undefeated coronavirus. Corey, hello, hello, hello. If you get to hear this song, somebody hurt you. Corey, hello, hello, hello. Change your mind and go back home. Somebody hurt you. I am going to Ethiopia. I am going back to Ethiopia because according to history, we all came from Ethiopia. And I believe Ethiopians are the ones who brought this saying. There is no hurry in Africa, but we couldn't listen to them because we want to follow the Westerners. That is why we are in 2020 with the original version of COVID-19. But they are still in 2012 with the fake version of COVID-19 known as COVID-12. Though it is killing them, I know when they reach 2020, they will all come back to life. Yes. And one thing I am sure of, when I reach Ethiopia, my age will be reduced. That means 8 years will be taken from my age. Wow! Then I will be a virgin again, whereby my manhood will only know one thing, just to shushu. Oh, I need to marry from Ethiopia, so that my daughter will be called Injira and my son Amarik. They will all stay in Addis Ababa, the highest city in Africa, to see the coming of hantavirus, the son of coronavirus, and inform Africans to run before it reaches them. Yes. And since coronavirus doesn't want to hear any noise of a car, I'm going to use my wheelbarrow to dodge coronavirus. Yeah, let me go.